In this video, I'm going to show you how to build high-converting Facebook ad creatives with AdCreative.ai, step by step, even if you've never created an ad before. What's up, guys? My name is Kyle. Facebook ads can drive huge results when the creative grabs attention and communicates value right away. But the reality is, most small businesses and marketers struggle with creative, either because they don't have design skills or they aren't sure what messaging actually performs well. That's exactly where AdCreative.ai shines. It uses AI to generate eye-catching ad visuals and on-brand copy based on your inputs. So you don't need to start from scratch or hire a designer. By the end of this video, you'll know how to set up AdCreative.ai, how to generate Facebook ad and image copy, how to refine and export creatives, and how to use them in your campaigns. If you want to follow along exactly as I do, there's a link in the description where you can sign up for AdCreative.ai and test it out yourself. Alright, let's get into it. Before we click anything, let's briefly explain what AdCreative.ai actually does and why it's become such a popular tool. At its core, AdCreative.ai uses advanced AI to generate eye-catching ad visuals, copy that matches your product and audience, and multiple variations for testing. Instead of spending hours in design tools or guessing at messaging, you can generate dozens of variations in minutes. That speeds up testing significantly, and testing is how you find high-converting creatives. Once you understand that the creative drives results, the rest of the setup makes sense. Now let's jump into the tool. If you haven't already, use the link in the description below to sign up for AdCreative.ai. Once you're in the dashboard, you'll see options for creating new creatives, viewing previous creations, uploading brand assets, and managing integrations. What's great about this interface is that it's designed for simplicity. You don't need a design background to get started. Before generating anything, make sure your branding assets and colors are uploaded. We'll get to that next. Your brand kit ensures that AI outputs creatives that match your business identity. If you currently see what I see, to update your brand kit, go to the left column and below generate, you will see brands. As you can see, I have already created a brand kit, but if you have not, you will see create a brand. On this page, you can write brand names and descriptions. You can select a brand logo by uploading a picture. You can also select brand colors, and you have more options and advanced setup. Adding these now saves time later, and it ensures consistency across all creatives that you generate. When you have your brand kit set, the AI can use your colors and fonts to produce visuals that feel on brand, even if you're not a designer. Now we're ready to actually generate ad creatives. On your home screen in the left column, you will see generate. So you will click that and it will take you to this current page. Here's where you tell the AI what you want. We are doing a Facebook ad, so I'm going to go to social posts. I will then select a custom post and I will scroll down and choose my size. So we want Facebook, which is Meta. So we will go with a vertical size and then click next step. Here's where we tell the AI what we want. For example, you might say, ad for our new fitness bands targeting men 25 to 45. Highlights durability, comfort, and health. Once you have typed in all the necessary information, you are now ready to generate your ads. Simply click generate at the bottom and AdCreative.ai will start generating your ads. The more specific you are here, the better the output will be. After a few moments, AdCreatives.ai will return a series of visual ads and headlines. What you'll notice right away is multiple variations, different visual styles, and copy with different hooks. This is powerful because you can test multiple different angles without reinventing the wheel. Instead of guessing which headline to run, you can test 3 to 5 variants side by side. At this point, don't just pick the first result. Look for visuals that align with your audience, headlines that compel clicks, and designs that match your brand tone. As you can see, AdCreative.ai has created a number of different variations for me. Once you've identified the winners, we'll refine them next. AdCreative.ai lets you refine the generated selected creatives before you download it. You can adjust text, swap images, change color emphasis, and update calls to action. For example, buy now, shop today, learn more, or limited time offer. Tweaking these details helps ensure your ad matches your actual offer and campaign goal. Once you're happy with the refinements, export your creative. Next to the creative you want to download, simply click download, and you can select PNG for images, MP4 for videos, and JSON if you're exporting text only. Make sure you organize these downloads in a folder labeled by campaign name or promotion, so you don't mix versions later when uploading to Facebook Ads Manager. With your ad files ready, it's time to get them into your campaign. Now open Facebook Ads Manager. You'll create a new ads campaign or open an existing one. Then upload the creatives you just generated. Set targeting, set a budget and schedule, and choose your placements. When uploading, match the creative to your campaign goal: traffic, conversions, messaging, etc. Use multiple ad variations so Facebook can optimize between them. This gives you real data on which creative resonates best with your audience. Here's where most beginners miss the mark. They generate one and pray it works. Instead, as a pro, run multiple variants, track click-through rates, CPC and conversions, turn off underperformers, and double down on winners. AdCreative.ai accelerates this process because you can generate dozens of options quickly. Testing equals data, which equals better performance. Here are some common pitfalls and how to avoid them. Using generic descriptions when generating creatives. When your inputs are vague, your creatives will be too. Generic prompts lead to ads that feel bland and interchangeable, which makes them easy to ignore. Clear, specific descriptions helps AI generate messaging that speaks directly to a real problem and audience. Not running enough variants. Testing only one or two variants doesn't give you enough data to learn. Without multiple hooks, angles, or formats, it's impossible to know what actually influenced performance. More variations mean clearer patterns and better decisions. Uploading creatives without corresponding offers. A strong creative still needs a clear offer behind it. If the message doesn't match the landing page, promotion, or CTA, users get confused and drop off. Alignment between creative and offer is key to conversions, ignoring tracking and analytics. If you're not tracking results, you're flying blind. Metrics show you what's working, what needs improvement, and what should be stopped. Without data, you're relying on assumptions instead of evidence. Bottom line, avoiding these mistakes turns testing into a learning process. Instead of guessing, you get clear insights you can use to improve and scale with confidence. So there you have it, a complete beginner-friendly workflow for building high-converting Facebook ad creatives using AdCreative.ai. This tool can drastically speed up creative production and give you better testable variations, which means better performance and less guessing. If you want to try AdCreative.ai for yourself, check the link in the description to sign up. Just so you know, these are affiliate links, which means we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. That support helps us to continue creating free, step-by-step tutorials like this. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.